Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the create RESTful API CRUD operation using Ruby on Rails. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here, first of all, here you can see that first of all we are going to create the model product with the name, parameter, price, and the stock quantity. Then run Rails DB migrate to generate the migration file or create the tables into our database. Then we have to create the controller with products controller, right? Now paste this code where we have defined all the CRUD operations. Okay, so let's copy and paste this and use it. So we have products already in the controllers, right? So here we have the products. So controllers, products controller. So let's control A, control V and save this. Okay, let's understand step by step code before action. What exactly it does. Okay, so first of all, inherits from the application controller. This means that products controller inherits functionality from the main application here, application controller. Okay, so this is for what? It inherits the functionality from the main application controller. RESTful actions. Okay, so here you can see that the actions we have, the controller has some actions: index, show, new, create, edit, update, destroy, that correspond to the standard CRUD operation, that is create, read, update and delete operations for managing the products. Okay, then we have a before action, right? So before action, set product only show, edit, update and destroy. What does it mean? This means this callback, this is before action, this callback runs the set product method before the specified actions. Okay, so when it will call, so when there is a show, edit, update and destroy, so when these functions will come up, what we have to do, we have to call the set product. And what the set product will do, set product will do, it will call or find the params with id. Okay, at the rate product. So whenever we have the, you can say show, edit, update and destroy, because we require the id for that one, the params id we are required for that one. We have create a callback and use it all over whenever we have some these functions, right? Okay, so private method set product, so this is this one. So find a product by id assigned to the product at the rate, and this method is called before actions that need a specific product id, that is like show, edit, update and destroy. Product params, we have product params require, this is basically strong parameter methods that ensures that the only permitted attributes, name, price, stock, quantity, are allowed through the form submission. When we do the submission of the form, only these parameters require, rest of the parameters we don't require. This prevents the mass assignment vulnerabilities, right? So now we have to define the routes for the products. I suppose its routes is already there. Let's have a look. We have in the routes, where is routes? Just give me a second. There is routes. So let's search it. Control E, routes dot rb. It's in the config. Okay. So if I just word wrap this, we have products. I think we don't resources. We have products. Okay. So let's update this one. We have resources, products already defined. So let's try to call the REST API with slash products, new products with ID, edit, put, delete. Okay. So let's have a look. We have already created the response and all. Let's have a look for that one. Let's run the project. Exit. Okay. Rails server. Step by step. Okay. Let's go with the, what's the URL for that? Copy the link. Let's go and just add it. Okay. Slash products. I think we have add the products. Let's make a get request. Slash products preview. I think this is coming up. So let me check what exactly we have made in the products controller. So here we go with index products all. So I need to comment this HTML because we don't require the HTML, we require the JSON format, right? So products all, respond to format, we have to format with the JSON parameter and return the products. Okay, save this. I think already done. So let's try to run it again. Now here you can see pretty raw. All the data is come in the JSON format, example to product, which we have already added in the last video. Okay, let's make a new one. So this is done. Let's go with the new. So slash new will help you to create the new product. Okay, so get new products, where it is new products, product new, or when we create a new product, so post products. So let's create with the new products with post request body. And what we require over here, let's try to backspace this, and we require the, I think, name, t-shirt, price, price, and the stock quantity. Okay, let's add this. Okay, let's try to send it out. There is the error, unprocessable content preview. Action controller and third authenticity products controller can't verify this authenticity. Let's have a look for that one. So what's exactly the issue will come up over here, that parameters name, t-shirt price, stock quantity, product, this can't verify the CSRF token. I think let's have a look what exactly the route is. So we have a create product. So I think the HTML again, comment this we don't require because we go with the JSON format. Okay, so that's the reason CSRF token is asking for that one, because front end part it requires the CSRF token for that one to validate. Okay, otherwise it will not. Just word wrap this, and what we do, product new, product params, whatever we have. So here you can see that we have just added product params over here, like we require only the name, price, and the stock quantity, right? So it will come over here, it will set that one, and what else, let's go back. Okay, and respond to the product safe. If the product safe, then format the JSON return that the product created, else show the unprocessable entity, right? This which is coming right now. Okay, save this, let's try to run it again, and here we go with our request, and I try to send it up. Unprocessable entity again. So we require name, price, and the stock quantity. Anything that we have done. Format, let's check the product params. We have name, price, and the stock quantity. Okay, update, create. Format this unprocessable entity. What exactly the post parameters, post request slash products, that is already do, and anything else. This is showing can't verify the CRSF token authenticity. Let me check what exactly it is showing, just give me 1 minute. So here you can see that the product is created now. So basically we have to disable the CRSF token for when the request is coming from the postman. Otherwise, in from the views, it is mandatory, right? So what I have added over here, so just protect from the forgery unless request from JSON. I need to create a video for all of this. This basically the issue, so that you will get to know about that one. Okay, so the product is created right now. Okay, so this will help you to create the products. Now we are trying to update the product and delete the product. Okay, so let's have a look for that one. Updating the product, we require the product params. So here we go with our product. So like put request, we have update. Okay, and pass the ID. So it should be 3 ID, and I need to update with the t-shirt with t-shirt 2. Let's try to send it and preview again. Okay, I need to just format the HTML. I need to just disable it. Same with the here, because we require the JSON format, right? Save this and try to send it up over here, and now you will get the price. T-shirt 2 12 price, the rest of the information is same. Okay, now I'm going to delete this request with this one, and let's try to delete this record, and only the products that we have only come with this third id is deleted, right? So this is how we have deleted that one. So delete one product at the product destroy. Okay, and format the html. So I need just don't need to this one, I just need to comment this had no content, format the json. Okay, so this is how we can do the destroy or delete. Okay, so we have the private methods for our callbacks, right? Set product and product params. Okay, so I hope you understand how to create the RESTful APIs into our up Ru- Ruby on Rails project. Okay, simple REST APIs. I'm not talking about the views and everything, view portion. So only the RESTful CRUD operations. So you can this how you can create the CRUD REST API into your Ruby on Rails project. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.